everyone, I know it's been a while, but I hope you guys are doing well. Today I am back to share a box with you guys, and it's been a while since I've shared a Yuzen box. If you guys have been subscribed to me for a while, you know that I did a few unboxings for the Yuzen box on my channel, so if you guys are interested to see what came in past boxes, definitely check those out. But today I have the winter box to share with you, and since it's already February, you actually have a choice, and I'm not sure if you could still get this box if you sign up today. On their website it says if you sign up after February 6th that you'll be getting the spring box, so it's really up to you if you want to wait until February 6th so that you can get a surprise spring box, or if you see what's in this box and you're still interested, I would shoot them an email really quick and just see if you subscribe right now if you can still get the winter box. But like I said, this is the winter box, and I always love how Yuzen comes packaged. It's just so pretty. It has this tissue paper and it has this like, it's kind of like origami paper, but I believe it's called Yuzen paper, and it's really pretty and decorative, and I always save it. I never know what to do with it, and I was meaning to like put it in a planner at one point because it is really pretty. Obviously I'm sure you could use this as like a bookmark or fold it into something nice, but it always comes packaged really lovely. And if you guys aren't familiar with Yuzen, to me it's like a spa subscription box with natural and organic products, which I think is great. It's $35 a season, so it comes every 3 months. So if you divide that up, it's a little over $10 a month. If you do the year subscription, it's $132, so you save a little bit of money that way. But it's a great little like treat, I think, like if you subscribe for yourself, to get one of these boxes every season, just to kind of take some time out for yourself. Also, with Valentine's Day coming up really soon, like literally in a couple of weeks, and you're looking for a gift, I think this would be a great option for you to think about. They have a gift option, so if you don't want to do the subscription, they have a specific gift box option that you could send to someone just one time, and if you go on their website you can actually see what comes in the box. And when you pull it out of the box, everything is packaged really neatly and beautifully in this organza bag, and I can already see a chocolate bar in here, which you guys know I love when subscription boxes give me candy because it's probably one of my favorite things. Of course, the first thing I'm going to pull out is the chocolate bar. It is a divine milk chocolate with toffee and sea salt candy bar. I have to sample it, right? Very good. Lots of toffee, and you get little hints of that sea salt. Great combination, and you can tell the quality of the chocolate is really good too. So I'm already super happy because I have a full-size candy bar now that I get to eat, and it's delicious. You also get one of these cards in the box, and it lists all of the different products that you actually get in the box and a little bit about each product and kind of why they chose it, which I think is really neat. So without further ado, let's get started. The first product in here is from a brand whose name I will definitely be butchering, I'm sure. I want to say it's Isla, but it's spelled I-L-A, and the A has a line on top of it. So is it Ile? I don't know. Help me out if you guys know. But this is their spa body wash for toning skin. It says this luxurious formula cleanses, tightens, moisturizes, and revitalizes all skin types. And it's a nice little travel size. It says that it's made with natural oils of apricot and vetiver. It is 1.7 ounces, so perfect if you are traveling with it. Let's give it a sniff. It smells very green and natural. I can definitely smell the vetiver in there, but it's also it kind of has like a greenery scent to it. I don't know, I like it. It's very calming and relaxing. It's not overly fragranced, and I like the fact that it has like oils in it for like moisturizing your skin. So excited to try that, and I just think the bottle is really pretty too. It's really simple, but I just love this bright happy color. Next thing I have in here is from Drowse Natural Skincare. This is their rose and lavender facial toner, and it's a brightening one as well. It's in this spray bottle. It's 30 mils. It's made with a blend of floral flowers and other botanical goodness from nature, specially crafted to freshen skin and bring out an inner glow. I really like how this smells. It's very calming with that lavender in here, and I can't smell the rose too much, but I almost smell a little bit of like a citrusy note to it, so it's kind of like very refreshing and very calming at the same time. So I'm excited about that, and I feel like because it's in the spray form, it might be good for traveling too, like if you're on an airplane or whatever and just kind of like spritz your face. So that's pretty cool. The next two products in here I believe actually go hand in hand, and I love the packaging of this. It is so adorable. It's very elegant and sleek, but also kind of gives me that like kind of natural like apothecary vibe, and I just think it's adorable because it's like these glass little bottles. They're just so cute. It's from a brand called Modicum, and this is their #1 essential cleanser, and this little vial here is their essential exfoliant. And it says on here, keep skin feeling smooth, soft, and pampered with the help of natural, organically farmed ingredients like argan, apricot kernel, rosehip, and avocado oil. It says gentle enough for all skin types, and it says usage tip. Put a 1/4 teaspoon of exfoliant into dry palm, so a 1/4 teaspoon of the powder, and it says add 3 pumps of cleanser, so 3 pumps of this, mix it up to create a paste, and then you want to massage it onto your dry face and rinse with warm water. So super excited about that. I love anything that's going to exfoliate, and like I said, the packaging of this is so just adorable. So very, very excited about that. Ooh, a face mask. So this is from Z Skin. It says it's 100% organic skincare. This is their age-defying hydroxy face mask. Very excited. It says it's 100% organic treatment that helps to correct dark spots and reverse signs of aging, revealing a brighter and more even skin tone with each use. So apply to face according to the directions it says, then sit back and relax for 20 minutes. So that's really cool. I can always use like help with like spots. I have like, I guess like freckles from like sun damage on my face. That would be great, and any like acne scarring. So super excited, and I feel like that's a really good size for a face mask. This is 1 fluid ounce, so definitely get quite a few uses out of this. The next thing in here, super exciting because I believe this is full size. I'm not sure about any of the other products. Those might be, I'll have to look it up. But this is an anti-aging eye serum from a brand called Mindful Skincare, and it's 0.5 fluid ounces, which is the typical size of like a full size eye cream. Let me open this up and see. I believe it has a pump. Yeah, so it comes with a little pump on it. It says on here, with primrose and lavender, it is vegan, gluten-free, and paraben-free. It says that with primrose oil and lavender, it targets fine lines and wrinkles, hydrating deeply by protecting the delicate eye area. It says allow serum to absorb at least 30 minutes before sleeping. So very exciting, and I love that it's full size. It says that it's not tested on animals, so really cool. And lastly, I have a product in here from Andalou Naturals. I've heard a lot about this brand. This is their Kukui Cocoa Body Butter, and it's a really good size. These, I love getting like samples of lotion, body butters, body creams, and stuff like that because I take them to work and they fit in my lab coat because my hands get really, really dry. So this is 1.7 fluid ounces. It says this body butter indulges skin with argan oil, shea cocoa butter, and Hawaiian kukui, evening primrose, and superfruit antioxidants. The ultra hydrating aloe vera helps create a moisture barrier that lasts all day long. And I actually want to open this up and give this a smell because I prefer my hand creams to smell good, let's be honest. Ooh, it smells like, it almost smells like something I kind of want to eat. It's not anything like fragrance, like you can tell it smells really natural, but for me it almost smells like oatmeal. This is gonna sound so weird, but it smells like oatmeal, like an oatmeal cookie, but not like sweet. I don't know, it just smells really good. It smells kind of comforting and it feels really nice. It's not greasy. I actually really like this. I'm excited. I'm going to be bringing this to work with me. So that is everything that came in the Yuzen Winter Box. I'm really excited. I think, whoops, I just dropped something, but I think the thing I'm most excited to try is the Modicum like cleanser and exfoliant because these are so freaking cute, and I'm excited about anything that's going to exfoliate my skin. That hand cream is actually really nice as well, and that chocolate bar is delicious. So after this I will definitely be eating more of it. But yeah, I will post the link to Yuzen down in the description box below if you guys are interested. Like I said, the spring boxes, if you sign up after February 6th, you'll be getting that, which will be a surprise because it hasn't come out yet. And if you are interested in getting this, I would send them an email as soon as possible and see if you subscribe right now, if you can still get it. And like I said, if you're thinking of giving this to someone as a gift, you can do a subscription, or you can also give them the one-time gift box as well. So definitely check both of those things out on their website. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!